Let's clean the strainer or filter on our Frigidaire dishwasher. Remove the bottom rack. Grab this plastic tab and turn it to the left, 180 degrees. Lift out this bottom arm assembly. This will need to get cleaned. Grab this strainer mesh here, and this part will get cleaned as well. Inspect this area down here to see if there's anything clogging anything up or if anything needs to be cleaned. I just used this old toothbrush to clean it. We're just going to put everything back in. First, this mesh strainer. Notice this tooth-shaped part goes into that slot right there. Down like that. Okay, let's put it in. Notice these pieces come apart. This part goes over like that. And remember how this faced to the left? When you take it out, drop it in. You'll feel it engage. There we go. And then turn to the right, all the way until it is secure. You can check. That's all there is to it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Thank you.